everybody, let's go into how to draw Ninja Turtle versus Deadpool. So we're going to start with Deadpool on this side first. Simple, follow along with me, okay? All the way to the very end, because at the very end I'm going to tell you something. So, let's do it. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to curve for the back of Deadpool's head right here, like a slight curve. Going to pull forward a little bit, down to the forehead area, down the forehead. A little bit of the brow, right? The brow is kind of that bumpy, bony part above your eye, which protects your eye. Out just a bit here for kind of the front where the nose is going to be. Down here. Alright. To the chin. Going to pull over here, line there for the cap off the edge of that chin. Going to go over here and I'm going to pull back for the jaw area. The jaw goes roughly it's kind of halfway between the back of the head and the front of the head, so kind of close. That'll be fine. Pulling underneath here for the neck. Down here. Gonna go here, curve back. Down. Alrighty. So we got a good head shape right there to work into, and that's kind of the most important thing. So let's go over here now, and we're going to draw the eye. So it's going to be like a slight curve on the front. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like learning how to draw in general, and you like the subject like Deadpool or Ninja Turtles. Hit the like, lets me know what to draw a lot more of, and kind of just helps me out in general as far as the algorithm goes. Line over here. Line over here. It's kind of like a sliced cheese or something for the eye shape. Gonna go over here on this side and gonna curve for that big old blotting shape on the side of his head, or the side of the face. Down over here, curve up. Gonna go over here, pull line back over there for the seam in the mask, and we're gonna go over here now and pull line right there for kind of the sternocleidomastoid. Line in here. Down, curve over here for the kind of collar of the neck, down right here, and he's gonna have like a belt thing, kind of, I don't know, like a latch right there, like a square piece, and then a circle right there, and we're gonna fill that in. We're gonna fill it in right here with the dark, and I think the filling it in part, I like to kind of swirl it around. And now I gotta do the same thing right here for this part. Luckily this is a new marker, and it's gonna be very simple to do that. While I'm filling this shape in, there's a free ebook on how to draw anything chibi. If you like chibi, go check out that. Basically, that ebook, it gives you pretty much how to turn any character you want into like a cute style character. I go through that step by step, and you can learn it pretty much, you can remember it forever because it's very easy to do it. It's just nobody really talks about it. It's very simple, and it's also like a knowledge-based thing, so you don't even really have to practice it that much. You just do it. So for example, like make the eyes a little bigger as opposed to like compared to the lips, right? I tell you that kind of stuff because it's all proportion-based and not so much like a learning-based thing. See, it's not like, I mean, you have to draw to get better, but it's once you know this, it's going to make everything 95% easier to draw chibi, cute style characters. So go pick that up in the description. It is free. It used to be something I charged for, but now I'm making it free for you guys. Down here. And I'm going to draw a little dark right here on the lower portion of the neck. And then fill it out right here. There we go. And if you want, you can draw like a little bump right there for the ear. Like the ear is going to be butting out over there. So let's go into the Ninja Turtle now. It's going to be probably a little bit shorter, but right now I'm going to start with the eye area, right? Kind of that curved eye. Down, pull up, because I want their eyes to be meeting. The mask is bunching up in his face. Downward here, pull back. Up over here as well. The mask is bunching up. Like so, curving around the eyes just a bit. Put a line there. Back. over here. Kind of like, again, the strap is bunching up right there. Curve over here, the front of the face. Pretty close, but not super close. Up, down, in here for kind of the I want that like gritting teeth. Line right there. That Ninja Turtle's mad. I don't know who that's going to be. Probably Raphael, because he's like the meanest one. And he's also my favorite, by the way. Curve underneath. Back around the side of the head here. Right? Kind of capturing the back here. Top of the head. Pretty low top of the head here. Down here for a line here. And a line right here because we want to have like a neck right there in that area. And then pulling back over here. And what I want to do is I want to darken out the bottom portion of this neck. The reason I want to do that is to give him a little bit of, you know, like a value there. And this is a vignette, so I'm not really going to draw much of his body at all. Maybe keep it loose like that. Line there, line there, line there, line there. Line there, line there. Alrighty. And there we go. That is a Ninja Turtle versus Deadpool, okay? So let's add a little bit more of a touch to here. I talked about this. I said this was going to say at the end. We want to add little details like this. Darkness, like say along the teeth. And so that makes the teeth right here look less flat when you do that. Curve over here, line right here in the eyes. You're drawing thinner, you know, lines around the eyes because you want them to look kind of deeper and inset. Curve over here, line. Maybe a line around the mouth there because he looks like a gritty Ninja Turtle, kind of like maybe like those Simon Beasley ones. I think Simon Beasley did stuff in Ninja Turtles, right? It was like grittier and angrier all the time. Like that old school version, which as a kid kind of creeped me out, but as an adult I love, right? I love. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.